Since I bought this professional Ninja blender, everything is easier and quicker when it comes to blending anything at home. This comes with a container, one blade, and one lid that I'll show you how to use it now. So we put it here, the container, we adjust it pretty well. Now we're gonna put the blade and we're ready to go. This blade, you always have to be careful as it comes really sharp. Now, when you cover it, you just press it and it will sound. I'm about to use this with the eyes as an example, but just a reminder that you can use this for anything, for dressings, for mayonnaise, for smoothies, any type of shakes. And let's see how it works. We make sure we close this and we go ahead and put the power. You have the low and medium and high. Let's see how it goes. Now I'm gonna put pause and we put stop. So I stopped it on purpose and now you can see the result. So maybe you want to add any type of syrup. This was just a little bit of ice and water. So can you imagine when you're doing like shakes or smoothies? It's definitely the game changer. So I have it here so you can see how it went, and I definitely recommend it.